Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure IFT applets for home office productivity hacks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the IFT app on your device. Sign in to your IFT account or create a new one. Once logged in, tap on the Explore tab at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type in keywords related to your productivity needs. Look for popular applets or create your own. To create a custom applet, tap on Create in the top right corner. Select the plus icon next to IFTTT to choose a trigger service. Browse or search for the service that will initiate the action. For example, select Google Calendar to trigger based on events. Choose the specific trigger, such as any new event. Tap Create Trigger after selecting your desired option. Next, tap the plus icon next to that to choose an action service. Search for the service you want to connect, like Slack or Todoist. Select the specific action you want to occur. For instance, choose Send a message in Slack. Customize the message to suit your workflow needs. Review your selections and tap Continue. Finally, name your applet for easy identification. Tap Finish to activate your newly created applet. To manage your applets, navigate to the My Applets tab. From here, you can turn applets on or off as needed. Experiment with different combinations for optimal productivity. Feel free to explore more applets for additional automation. Adjust your settings in IFTTT to receive notifications of applet activity. Regularly review and refine your applets to enhance efficiency. With these steps, you can streamline your home office tasks effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.